All right, today we're jumping into something pretty cool, a platform called Universe Pro. Now, they're using AI to try and fix some of the biggest, most frustrating problems in digital finance. Their whole goal? To finally level the playing field for everyone. So let's see how they're planning on doing that. You know, the big promise of DeFi has always been this open, fair financial system for everybody. But is that what we really have? I mean, for the average person, it can definitely feel like the game is rigged, which makes you wonder, is it really a fair fight for the little guy? And that's exactly where Universe Pro steps in. Look at their mission right here. They're not just trying to build another trading app. No, their goal is to completely redefine how DeFi connects to the real world. That's a huge, ambitious mission. Okay, so to really get what they're trying to build, we first have to understand what's broken. Let's break down the big issues that are making DeFi so tough for so many people right now. So problem number one, and this is a big one. If you're a regular retail trader, you are at a massive disadvantage. It's because the whole on-chain world is tilted in favor of a handful of pros who have faster tech and better information. This diagram really shows you what's happening. You've got these professional market makers who use their speed and data to make a profit. And who pays for it? Well, retail users do, through things like slippage. That's when the price changes in the split second before your trade goes through. And of course, high fees. All those little costs add up and create this huge imbalance. And this whole situation gets put on steroids by something called MEV, or maximal extractable value. I know, it's a technical term, but the easiest way to think about it is digital front-running. These bots can literally see your trade coming, jump in line ahead of you, and skim a profit right off the top, at your expense. And we're not talking about a minor issue here. The entire on-chain system is dominated by these incredibly sophisticated MEV bots. It means the deck is structurally stacked against the average trader. It makes it almost impossible to win in a long run. Okay, so that's the problem, and it's a pretty serious one. So what's the solution? Universe Pro has built this incredible system designed to fight back, and they call it the UNI engine. UNAI, it stands for Universe Nexus AI Intent Engine. Yeah, it's a mouthful, I know, but the idea behind it is really powerful. Think of it like a purpose-built, super smart banking machine designed specifically for the wild west of Web3. So how does this brain work? Well, UNI is constantly crunching data from 3 different sources, all in real time. It's looking at on-chain stuff like trading volume and gas fees, but it's also looking at off-chain data, real-world info like payment fees from Visa and MasterCard. And on top of all that, it's analyzing the market's mood, volatility and risk, to make the smartest moves possible. This UNI engine works its magic across 3 different layers, and each layer is designed to fix one of those big problems we just talked about. Let's dig into layer 1. So, layer 1 goes right for the throat of that unfairness problem on decentralized exchanges or DEXs. It's all about creating a stable, reliable pool of liquidity. That's the cash available that makes trading smooth and efficient for everyone. And this comparison just says it all. On the left, you've got the old, broken model where the little guy loses, and on the right, that's the new model, where the UNI engine steps in to provide that stable liquidity. The end result? Smoother and way more fair trades for everybody involved. All right, now for layer 2. This is where things get really interesting. This layer is all about fighting back against those predatory MEV bots we talked about. And you know how it does it? By using their own strategies against them. Things like high-frequency trading and arbitrage, but this time, for good. It all happens in this continuous 5-step loop. First, UNI just vacuums up a ton of data. Then, the AI brain analyzes it all to find patterns. From there, it decides on a strategy, and bam, generates a trading signal. Then, it automatically executes the trade. But here's the key part, step 5. It learns from the outcome and gets a little bit smarter every single time. It's a feedback loop that never stops improving. The third and final layer might just be the most ambitious of all. This is where they're trying to build a solid bridge between the crypto world and the traditional payment systems we use every day. So here's the problem it's solving. On one side, you've got billions of dollars in stablecoins just sitting in crypto wallets, doing nothing. On the other side, if you want to turn your crypto back into cash, it's slow and it can cost you up to 3% in fees. So the solution is just beautiful. They lease those idle stablecoins to payment providers. The stablecoin owners earn a return, and real-world payments get faster and cheaper. It really is a win-win. Now, in the crypto world, you know as well as I do that talk is cheap. Having a great idea is one thing, but trust is everything. So how does Universe Pro earn that trust? The answer is simple: radical transparency. First things first, they're not some shadowy, anonymous project. They have a clear legal foundation. As you can see right here, Universe Pro is officially incorporated in Wyoming in the USA. They're a legitimate registered company. And they didn't stop there. They also went and registered as a money services business, or MSB, with FinCEN. That's a bureau of the U.S. Treasury Department. This is a big deal. It means they're operating inside a serious regulatory framework. But hey, the ultimate proof is right there on the blockchain. Every single trade the UNI engine makes is public. That means anyone, you, me, anybody, can go and verify every transaction in real time. There is literally nowhere to hide. So, when you piece it all together, the problem they're solving, this multi-layered AI solution, and their commitment to being totally transparent, what does it all add up to? What does this mean for the future of finance? Well, it brings us right back to their core mission. Their goal is to take all these super complex pieces, the data, the AI, the automated trading, and weave them all into one smooth, seamless system that actually works for people, not against them. And that leaves us with one last big question. We've been hearing about the promise of DeFi for years, but now, with a powerful new tool like this AI engine on the scene, you have to ask, could this be the key that finally unlocks a truly fair financial system for all of us?